Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove or unlink devices in WhatsApp account. So we will remove link devices. On top right you see three dots. So click on it and then you see multiple options. Now you see link devices. So again click on it. So we are in link devices section. Now you see 4 devices link. Tap a device to edit or remove it. So we are going to remove it. Now click on it and then you see device name and then you see three dots on top right. So again click on it and then you see remove device. So again click on it. Now you see pop-up remove device. The device will no longer be linked to this account. So click on remove. Now you see logging out. So in this way you can unlink or remove devices from your WhatsApp account. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.